Did you know there's a jellyfish that can literally live forever? It's called the immortal jellyfish, and when it gets old or hurt, it doesn't die. It reverses its age and turns back into a baby jellyfish. Scientists call it biologically immortal because it can repeat this cycle again and again, basically pressing the reset button on life. It's tiny, smaller than your fingernail, yet it holds the biggest secret in nature: eternal youth. Just imagine, if humans could do the same thing, would you live forever?